any way you look at it. From anywhere you look, you have the car to dominate the intermediate car market. And now is the time to aim for the sky with a 1970 Chevelle. The leader, the #1 intermediate, plus...
Chevelle is the 3rd best-selling car in America. And this year, 1970, you have a stunningly beautiful, completely restyled Chevelle. The Chevelle model lineup is consolidated into the Malibu series this year. There are 2 Malibu sedans, a sport sedan and a 4-door sedan, and the Malibu Sport Coupe and Convertible, plus...
The SS396, the tough one, is available for the Chevelle Sport Coupe and Convertible. We'll save the details on the optional air induction system for the performance story. Chevelle's new styling gives the SS396 front end an all-business look. The front end of the Malibu
is functionally beautiful with dual latticed grills. The header panel is eliminated to let the new long hood extend fully to the grillwork. The big new bumper wraps around each side to protect the new body in its elegant flare sculpturing. Highlighting the new body for the Chevelle sedans and Sport Coupe are moldings that completely encircle the side windows and cap the fenders. They're balanced by a wide rocker panel molding.
The muscular slopes and curves of the Chevelle body are strongly pronounced on the SS396. Rugged, masculine styling like this isn't developed overnight. Like the grooves that a river cuts in a wall of rock. Only time and know-how turn out this kind of road machine. Example, the sweeping contour of the Sport Coupe's quarter window. It blends perfectly with the Sport Coupe's long hood and full door glass styling. You get a forward thrust of motion even when the car is sitting still.
Everywhere you look, Chevelle is all new. There's a new rear bumper that's higher and wraps around the side to protect Chevelle's good looks. And like the big Chevrolet, Chevelle's rear lighting clusters with brighter backup lamps are recessed in the bumper.
The SS396 has a black polyurethane rear bumper insert that adds a distinctive styling touch and gives additional protection.
Inside the 1970 Chevelle, your customers will appreciate the new, easy-to-clean vinyl trim pads on the door and quarter panel. And talk about luxury, you can start with the durable, deep-pile carpeting and work right up to the new headlining. It's the expensive perforated vinyl type usually reserved for higher-priced cars. Luxury combined with tough, long-wearing qualities is a good way to start your sales presentation on Chevelle's new upholstery. Save the details on the nearly 2-inch thick foam pad in the front seat cushion and the inch-thick foam pad in the rear seat cushion for the Chevelle test drive. Chevelle's new rectangular instrument cluster, housed under a contoured shroud, is designed for instant readability to let the driver concentrate on the road. The new programmed wiper-washer system is available optionally. Chevelle safety advancements, improved energy absorption qualities, and the new, thicker padded instrument panel and air gap windshield pillars. And a huge Chevelle Plus. The safety door guard beams are built into all 1970 Chevelles. Your customers won't need X-ray vision to value the side impact protection afforded by the heavy channel beams. Another example of big car quality and construction in Chevrolet Intermediates. Construction is a major Chevelle selling and safety feature. The full perimeter frame gives occupants more protection in collisions from any angle. Many competitive intermediates lack the full frame now, but Ward's Automotive Report states that the National Highway Safety Bureau will require all intermediates to have them by 1973. The very first Chevrolet Intermediate was built on a full perimeter frame.
Improved braking performance is built into all Chevelles with heat-dissipating finned rear brake drums. They were added to the front wheels last year. Add them up, and your customers get a lot more for their Chevelle money in 70.
Variable ratio power steering is available for all Chevelles in 70 for better handling and maneuverability.
The SS396 treads are increased to 61.2 front and 60.2 rear to meet the demands of high-performance handling.
There's a big power plus for the 70 Chevelle. The base six-cylinder engine is increased from a 230 140 horsepower to 250 cubic inches with 155 horsepower. Complete engine and transmission lineups are given in your Power Team film. Talking about power,
Your SS396 personifies power, both in performance and sales appeal. Power? The SS396 has a 350 horsepower mill as base equipment, with a 375 horsepower special high-performance mill available optionally. Sales appeal? The SS396 accounted for nearly 1/5 of Chevelle sales last year. With a growing demand for machines with championship road manners, the new SS396 will climb even higher in sales. Road manners? Top performance all the way. A special performance suspension system, higher capacity clutch, sturdy front and rear stabilizer bars, and 7-inch wide wheel rims, all standard for the SS396. For the all-out performance enthusiast, the new functional Cowl Induction option is the ideal topper for the tough one. Mounted on the special raised hood, the Cowl Induction system directs cooler outside air to the carburetor. The Cowl Induction intake is positioned at the rear of the hood to take advantage of higher reverse air pressure. The flap opens automatically on hard acceleration and when the throttle is opened at 2/3. Included in this option are racing-styled hood locking pins. The pins give the SS396 owner even greater assurance that he's king of the road. New Chevelle styling, bold and brash, designed for the soaring 70s.
new safety construction with safety door guard beams.
Improved braking with finned front and rear brake drums.
Chevelle, the most popular intermediate in the world. Chevelle, the third best-selling car in the country.
Chevelle SS396, the tough one. Hottest sports intermediate on wheels.